Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make video wallpapers on Windows 11. So as you can see, I already have one set up on my computer right now, and it's a short slow motion video. So to get started is really easy. All we have to do is download a program called Lively Wallpaper, which is available on the Microsoft Store. So I'm going to go ahead and open up my Microsoft Store by pressing my Windows key and typing it in the Start menu. Once that's open, you're going to be able to see a search bar at the top. Go ahead and type in Lively Wallpaper. As you can see, I already have it in my search history, and it should be the first result that you see. So make sure not to get this mixed up with another live wallpaper application. This is the one by Rox Danister. So go ahead and click on download and install. And once it's done downloading and installing, click on open, and it should show you this interface. So once that's open, you're going to be able to see a bunch of wallpapers. Your library might not look exactly the same as mine because I've already added a few of my own, but it does come with a few wallpapers bundled with the program. If you want to add your own, simply click on the plus button at the top right of your screen and click on choose a file. So here you're going to be able to choose any supported file format. And let's say I want to add, or actually this one. I'm going to go ahead and click on open now. And you're going to be able to name your wallpaper. So I'm going to name this mountain trail more, more biking. And you can go ahead and give it a description as well if you'd like. I'm going to leave the other fields blank for now, and I'm just going to click on OK. It's going to take a few seconds to load into the program, but once that's done, it should show up in your library as so. And I'm going to go ahead and click on this just to make sure that it's activated. Once we go back to our desktop, as you can see, our live wallpaper has been changed to the new video that we have just uploaded. So it's really quick and really easy, and it really lets you customize your computer however which way you want. So that's going to be it for this video. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.